Ready to supercharge your DIY skills with a water pump project? Let's get started. For this fun and easy project, you'll need a 775 DC motor, a clear plastic bottle, some tubing, a hot glue gun, a battery pack, scissors, and a few screws. First, grab your plastic bottle and cut off the top portion. Make sure it's clean and dry for a crystal clear view of the water flow. Now, it's motor time. Align your 775 DC motor with the bottle's opening and secure it with hot glue. No gaps allowed, watertight is the goal. Next up, connect your inlet and outlet pipes. Hot glue or small clamps can secure them. Just ensure there are no leaks. For the grand finale, hook up the motor to your battery pack, making sure the polarity is correct. And voila, you're ready to test it out. Place the inlet tube in water, switch on the motor, and watch your DIY water pump in action. Simple, right? Now you've got a powerful, versatile water pump for all your DIY needs. Enjoyed this tutorial? Like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more cool projects. See you next time.